Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on edge lighting on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on notifications. From here, just tap on notification pop-up style, then select edge lighting style. And from here, you will be able to select an edge lighting style which you like. Just like that. And once you select the edge lighting style which you like, after that you can tap on color, and from here you can select a color for the edge lighting style. By default it is on auto, but you can tap on color, and from here you can select a custom color. After that you can tap on advanced, and from here you can increase or decrease the transparency of the edge lighting, and you can also increase or decrease the duration of the edge lighting. And once you have customized the edge lighting according to your liking, then tap on done to save. And this is how you can turn on edge lighting style on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.